Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, January 13, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, January 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 13, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, January 13, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 11 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 660 million pesos for January 13, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, January 13, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.